crafting unique gifts from recycled wood. Have you ever glanced at discarded wood and imagined its hidden potential? In today's video, we're exploring how to transform everyday wood scraps into extraordinary gifts. Join us on a crafting journey that celebrates creativity, sustainability, and the joy of giving. Before we dive in, let's collect our materials. Search for weathered and discarded wood pieces. Each one holds a unique story. Choose wood types that fit your project's theme, and remember to gather essential tools like sandpaper, saws, and protective gear. Safety first, always. Start with a vision. Whether it's a rustic picture frame or a charming birdhouse, having a clear plan will guide you. Sketch your ideas, noting measurements and important details. This blueprint will serve as your roadmap to crafting a gift that's both personal and meaningful. Now let's bring your vision to life. Begin by cutting your wood to size, following your sketches. Sand down rough edges to reveal the natural beauty beneath. This careful preparation lays the foundation for a piece that's as polished as it is heartfelt. Embrace creativity by customizing your gift with paint, stains, or engravings. Each detail reflects your personal touch, transforming your project into something truly unique. Think about the recipient's personality and interests. These insights will inspire the perfect finishing touches. With each step, consider the environmental impact. By using recycled wood, we honor our planet and promote a sustainable lifestyle. It's a powerful reminder that beauty and utility can coexist without compromising nature's resources. Your efforts contribute to a healthier, greener world. Imagine the joy on a loved one's face as they receive a one-of-a-kind gift crafted by you. It's more than just a present. It's a tangible expression of care, creativity, and sustainability. This labor of love speaks volumes, nurturing connections and cherished memories. As you complete your project, take a moment to admire your handiwork. Share your creation on social media or with fellow DIY enthusiasts to inspire others. Let's cultivate a community where creativity thrives and sustainable practices are celebrated. Your story can spark new adventures in crafting. Thank you for joining this crafting journey with recycled wood. If you're inspired to try your hand at these projects, consider subscribing for more creative ideas. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable. Together, we can make a difference, one gift at a time.